Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I'm going to show in this video how to backup all data on your Android before factory reset. So before going to start the video, if you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to backup your all data before doing the factory reset or before formatting your mobile, then I'll show you how to do this. In this, first of all, you have to just tap on the settings, scroll down. Here you will find Google. Tap on the Google. In this you will find two options, recommended and all services. You have to tap on all services. Then scroll down. Here under backup and reset you will find the first option, backup. Just tap on that. In this you can see backup by Google one. If you have enabled this option, you will see the last backup date and time. If you want to just backup manually, just tap on backup now. If you scroll down, you can see here it will backup apps, photos and videos, SMS, call history, device setting and all your Google account. If you want to backup on your Wi-Fi, you can just turn it off. If you want to backup on your mobile data, just disable this option. If you want to use your data, you have to just enable this option. After that, just tap on backup. After that, it will backup all your data. After that, you can reset your mobile. That's it guys. So in this way you can take your data backup and you can do your factory reset. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.